Hello, my name is Anthony. Today I want to show you how to start your X50 car with a remote control. So the way is like this. First you press this button, then second you press the end button, you press and hold. So that is, you press this one and you press and hold. Okay, so the engine has started. Come follow me, let us check whether the car is started or not. Yeah, I start the engine of car just using the remote control. You see, it start already, and it's cold, ready to drive. That's how you start your car, by using remote control. So the engine will automatically off it after 2 minutes if you don't go inside the car. So thank you. My name is Anthony. If I want to look for car, look for me. Remember, Anthony.